We wanted a black barn style door for this project, so they made it happen, and this is how he did it.
First stop, Home Depot, of course. Grabbed a nice slab door. There have some black wood stain. We actually already stained the door. I'm actually sanding it down and doing a second coat of polyurethane. Worked out pretty well. We used the foam roller to roll it out, make sure everything was nice and smooth. We did at least 2 coats so the door can be nice and durable, hold up from scratches and stuff like that. This barn door hinge kit came from Home Depot. To make it easier, we're gonna put everything down in the description below. But it came with the screws and multiple bars for the length of the door, however long you wanted to slide back, depending on the size of it. But we screwed it into some studs behind the wall. One of them didn't have a stud, so we put a nice anchor on there and it worked out very well. Definitely recommend it.
Oh shoot, Bane here getting it together. Woo. Oh shoot, what if that boy came down and clocked me? Okay, Bane, I see you. You doing your thing or whatever.
Oh yeah, no, I'm trying hard out here for a pimp.